Hey, Jacksonville, do you have any bold ideas? Hey, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And this page is for you from Jacksonville. As you may know, Jacksonville has been a historic innovation hub of Northern Florida for many, many years. This is actually the biggest, the largest logistics and transportation hub in all of the U.S. Port, rail, highways, and of course, air access. Jacksonville's key center for shipping and distribution. If you're inventing in the city, even if you're not in logistics and transportation, we are here to help you. We help individual inventors, startups, entrepreneurs that are just getting going and need help getting educated and learning about the patent system. We help as patent attorneys virtually through video representation, flat fee, low overhead, easy access to legal information here at Bold Patents. We do patent searching, application drafting, office action responses, and infringement support. So here's your call, Jacksonville, to book a free discovery call below and get started today. All right, Jacksonville, go big, go bold.